Yokohama.
My name is Ed Cornish. I work for Everport Terminal Services in Tacoma, Washington at the Port of Tacoma. So this is a Knoll straddle carrier. They move containers on and off the vessel, on and in and out of the yard. They can lift 50 metric tons. They're an 8-wheeled vehicle, 4 drives. Just a really remarkable machine. So we were approached by Yokohama about 1.5 years ago, maybe a little more, that they had come out with the new tire that you see behind me on the machine, and asked if they could test them on our port. Well, the first 18 months of the tire's life, as they brought them in here, we put them on our rail, and our rail is brutal. So it is probably the hardest area to make a tire last. Due to the uneven surfaces, you're going from asphalt to concrete, over steel. So there's a lot of different surfaces that you got to run over, and it really chews up a tire. We found that a tire that the sidewall actually flexes a little better can take the turns. Turns are the enemy of these tires. Anytime they're turning with that amount of weight, it just chews the rubber off. So just like in a regular tire, when you're going around a curve, it eats tires more. So we're looking for a tire that has a really good flexed wall, which Yokohama has really proven to meet that demand. The tread pattern on the tires make it a little easier with the way the Yokohama's designed, because there's a double groove in the tire, which makes it easier to handle. These tires are very heavy, so when these guys are changing them, you got to have something to hold on to. And Yokohama has brought that to the market and really made it a lot easier for the mechanics to do their job. We track the machines by hours, we track the tires by hours. And so we rotate at certain intervals. We constantly check our tread pattern. We check our air to make sure we're running at the proper PSI. By doing this, we've learned now where we could get around 2,800 to 3,500 hours on a tire. With the new change in the program and introducing the Yokohamas, we're estimating now we'll probably get anywhere between 3,200 and 4,000 hours. So it's a very big improvement for us. So we are now introducing the Yokohamas into the entire fleet. So we're using them on container ships and also in the yard versus the rail. So we're starting to slowly introduce them in. We're still in the middle of our testing, so it's still ongoing with the testing phase. But like I said, they've really done a great job so far. So we're going to go ahead and start introducing them into the rest of the fleet at this point.
Yokohama.